Yes guys, I'm Dan, and today, I don't know what I'm talking about. Mate. Yes guys, I'm Dan, I'm from KillerWipers.com. Today we're going to do the Caddy 2K barn door wiper delete kit. So for the first part of this wiper delete, you want to remove the wiper arm. This Caddy doesn't have a wiper on it at the moment, but you need a 13mm nut, and you remove that and then pull away the wiper arm. This next section, you want to open the barn door and you want to remove the trim from the inside. If your van hasn't been ply lined, this just pops out. If your van has got a wiper motor, you just want to remove the 210mm nuts, remove those and pull the wiper motor out. As this van hasn't got a wiper motor, we're going to remove the plumber's bung. We're just going to unscrew the back of that and remove that. We're now going to proceed to clean the back of the door because we're going to bond the kit from the inside. Okay, so this kit comes without any paint on it. You're going to need to color code this kit to your paint code. You need to test fit the kit and make sure that you fit it from inside. A lot of people have started to try and fit them from the outside, but you're not going to get flush fitment if you fit it from the outside. So for paint preparation, as we're at Travis Autos, Travis is going to go through this, but he's keyed it with a Scotch pad. We're then going to use a UV primer, and Travis is also going to use Tesla Cure to dry the primer. If you guys are at home doing this as a DIY, you can just use a normal primer that you can get from Halfords or any other paint specialist. Do the same process, make sure you key the kit because we want to ensure that the primer sticks to it along with the paint. Okay, so once you've primed it, we want to lay the paint down. Obviously, you want to check the paint code on your vehicle. Travis here at Travis Autos has used a scanner to get the exact paint match. Lay the paint down, and then we're going to lacquer it and leave it to dry. If your vehicle is wrapped, you can still use this kit. You just need to wrap the delete, cut away the excess so the back plate is exposed, put the sealant on and bond it the same way as we've done with this one. Okay, as we're bonding this kit with all of our kits, we want the kit to dry. So leave it for 1 hour to set, then you can put your trim back on. Once you've done that, we're going to code out the rear wiper. Once you've booted up VCDs, you just want to go into Essential Electrics. There is some little boxes at the top. You're going to keep clicking each box until you see it says rear wiper installed. Untick the box, click do it. Your rear wiper is now coded out. So that's it guys, the kit is fit, it's fully flush, it looks sick as f. Go buy that shit. Don't know what I'm gonna say. So guys, that's a kit done, super easy. This is a DIY kit, you can do this yourself. You don't have to have a professional painter to do this. I hope you agree, it looks 10 times better than the plumber's bung. Thanks for watching guys. If you want to follow us on Instagram, it's at @kill_all_wipers. You want to follow my man James from Awesome GTI, it's James_Murray1990. And thank you to Travis Autos. Nice one guys. My guys.